Hi everyone, this is MB Kitchenette and welcome to my channel. MB Kitchenette, a place where you can find easy, healthy, home-cooked recipe. Today I will share to you how to make macaroni salad. I hope you learn and enjoy today's recipe. To begin, let's boil water in a saucepan. Add salt and olive oil on it. And when it starts to boil, add the macaroni. Take the instructions on the packaging on how long it is supposed to cook. Remove and wash in a cold running water. I guess this process is not new to you. Have 1 stalk of celery. Don't forget to wash it. Then cut into cubes and add it to the pasta. To all my followers, thank you for your continued supports and for always being there, supporting my video, and to those who are new here. I hope you learn and enjoy today's recipe and can able to subscribe at the end of the video. Your feedback helps us grow. Write in the comment your views. Add them to the macaroni. Have 1 piece of carrots and cut into cubes. To Nirmo Daimeri, Bargainholic, Farah Kitchen Secrets, and to Secrets of the Soil and Kitchen, thank you for your comment and for supporting my channel. To Patrick Goeb, Menzi Kunain, Sidi Hanaya, Sanata Hoiba Shekom, Priya Sada, Adeline Massaclat, and Samwin Elizabeth, thank you for all your supports. Cut a slice of red bell pepper, yellow bell pepper, and orange bell pepper. Bell peppers have different varieties and colors, and each color has its own distinctive taste. In my opinion, red is the best because of its natural sweetness. Bell peppers can be eaten as raw and cooked. The vitamins and nutrients they give is just the same. Now cut yellow bell pepper into cubes. Here in Germany, if you buy bell pepper, is usually pack into 3 with 3 different colors, although you can also buy individually. 3 in a pack is much cheaper than single colors. But where I grow, which is in the Philippines, we only have 2 colors of bell peppers, the green and red colors. These are really good to make our recipe more attractive, especially with the kids, because of its multicolors. Just continue cutting the bell pepper and cut into cubes, then add to the bowl of salad. Now have a piece of red onion and cut into cubes. Some people are very sensitive in cutting onion. They are crying or tears comes out whenever they cut onion. Here's a helpful tips for you. After removing the old skin of the onion, wash it first before cutting it. This process helps you prevent from crying. Just put them in the same bowl. Now let's make the dressings. We need 3 tablespoons of mayo, 2 tablespoons of yogurt, a pinch of salt, a pinch of fine pepper and a pinch of coarse pepper, a pinch of basil, a pinch of oregano, 1 teaspoon of parsley, 2 teaspoons of sugar, 2 teaspoons of mustard, 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, 1 teaspoon of lime juice, then mix well. Now pour into the bowl of salad and mix gently. We've got plenty of pasta to go around in our collection of different macaroni salad recipes. These dishes range from classic combos to fun new favorites, guaranteed to satisfy all the taste buds. A friend of mine served this pasta salad, and I just had to get the recipe. It's nice to serve on hot and humid days, which we frequently get during summer here in Germany. You should try it also. It's really one of a kind. Have a happy, healthy meal. Hi everyone, this is MB Kitchenette and welcome to my channel. MB Kitchenette, a place where you can find easy, quick, healthy, home-cooked recipe. Today, I will share another recipe which is requested by one of MB Kitchenette's follower, Gail of Canada, which is spaghetti with chicken. To Gail, hello out there. This recipe is for you and to all of our viewers. I hope you will like it. To begin, let's boil water with 1 tablespoon of salt and some drops of olive oil. Once the water starts to boil, put the spaghetti noodles. Preparing spaghetti pasta is not new to everyone. In case you don't know, get the instructions on the packaging of every pasta. Once it started to boil for about 10 minutes, get some and check if it's soft already. Then remove from the heat, drain and wash in a cold running water. To all my followers, thank you for being here once again and for your continued supports in my channel. And for those new here, welcome to my channel. Have 300 grams of chicken breast cut into cubes. Chicken is a very popular white meat, especially for those on a diet or maintaining a good health. Write in the comment your views. Your feedback helps us grow. Write in the comment your name and country you are watching my video, so I can thank you and greet you on my next video. Have 1 stalk of celery. Remove the both ends, which are already old. Then cut the celery into cubes. Don't forget to check the descriptions of this video, where you can find kitchenwares and kitchen utensils in which you can always avail or order anytime. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for you to always be updated. After cutting celery, proceed in cutting carrots. We need 1 piece of carrots, which is also cut into cubes, which is most probably same size we cut with the celery. Have a slice from an orange bell pepper and cut into cubes. If you don't have orange bell pepper, any color of bell pepper will do. It is usually available is the green and red. Then a slice of red bell pepper and also cut into cubes. To Gail of Canada, this recipe is made for you as you requested. I hope you're there and watching. And to our other followers, you can also request any recipe, and I try to do it on my next video. Again do the same with yellow bell pepper. As I said before, if the color of the bell pepper are not available in your country, you can use the green and red bell pepper. Now chopped 3 to 4 cloves of garlic. To Anho of Vietnam and Shirley of Middle Georgia, USA, thank you for watching. Then have a 1 piece of onion cut into cubes. This recipe is made easy for you to be able to follow. Can you still follow the recipe? Now all the ingredients have been prepared. Let's start cooking. In a heated saucepan with olive oil, let's sauté garlic. Continue on stirring until the aroma comes out, but don't let it turn brown or burned. Then add the onion and continue on stirring until it caramelized. Now add the chicken, continue cooking for 3 minutes or until the meat turn into white. Remember not to overcook the meat of chicken to maintain its juiciness. Then add the carrots and celery. Afterwards, continue adding the bell peppers. Then add the seasonings. 1 teaspoon of salt, a pinch of pepper, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of tea basil, 1 teaspoon of oregano, a pinch of thymian, a pinch of coriander, a pinch of nutmeg. Then add 1 pack of 300 ml tomato sauce and then mix the ingredients. Continue on cooking for 2 minutes, then turn off the heat. Then pour it to our spaghetti and mix it gently. For an ordinary spaghetti recipe, this is already done. But let's make some kick on it. Let's full-loaded it to make it extra special for Gail, who requested this recipe. To Shirley of Middle Georgia, USA, and to Anho of Vietnam, thank you for watching. Now fully cover it with Parmesan cheese, then put it in an oven for 20 minutes at 180 degrees centigrade. Spaghetti originated in Italy and is one of the most popular types of pasta in Italian cuisine. It has since gained popularity worldwide and is enjoyed in various culinary traditions. Don't forget to follow, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for you to always updated. I hope you enjoy and learn today's recipe. Have a happy, healthy meal.